Wait. So this is the Soocoo. Okay. If we click to the resolution, it have here. Okay. Now currently it has a 1 second.
I'm okay, buddy. Welcome to Shivansh fun video. Like it and subscribe.
Good evening, Shivansh. How are you today?
Fine.
So what you brought today now?
Action camera.
Action camera.
The same.
The same, but you already have one, no?
Yes.
Why you brought the another one?
You brought it.
Okay, why we brought
Same.
it? We have this one, but this was not a good quality camera.
Yes.
So we brought the new one, which has a high quality video. Let me see what it shows. Wait a minute. So it's the original Soocoo C30/C30 action camera, 20 megapixel, 4K, Wi-Fi, Ultra HD. It's a good. We brought it from the eBay. It actually cost $140.
I thought 1,002
Oh,
million.
so let's unbox this camera now.
Okay.
So you have the cutter and scissor? Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Comes with the box.
No?
That's nice. Yeah, it's the box.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's a good quality. Okay. Okay, open that one also. Open. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Take this.
Wait a minute. Okay, let's see what inside the box. Okay, show it. What is this? Oh, it shows good luck. Huh? This is a nice message. Eh? Good luck. Okay, what else? Okay, this is a manual.
And this for
This
the
is the
cleaning.
cloth to clean. Okay, this is some plastic. I don't know what it is. Okay, what else? These are the stickers which you can use to mount this on the helmet. This is the belt. This belt is used for the remote control, I think. What else? So this is the warranty card. Yeah, this is the Soocoo warranty card. And this, they given this
For the
selfie stick. Huh?
not selfie stick to
Huh?
hold.
To take a picture. I did not expect it. This one in the box. Yeah, these are the
Not
mountains.
to take the picture. You can just hold it.
So this is the camera.
I thought we have to
Oh,
build.
as I told you, this is C30.
Oh man, there is a charger.
This is the USB charger. Good.
And
What else?
is this?
These all are the mountain kits.
And the battery.
This is the battery charger. So you can put the battery and it will start charging. Same. This is the
And this.
this is the remote. So this will use to take a picture or you can record a
This
video.
is blue and that too.
Yeah, you can tie this one here while you are doing some action. So you can operate your camera from here only. What else? All these are the mountain. Yes, accessories. All these are the accessories. It's a nice box, huh? I did not expect this one.
Smell it.
Smell it. It's good. It's good. Okay.
Smell it.
Okay. Okay. Nice box. Okay. So what we got? Where is the battery then?
Then you keep it.
Oh, this is a charger. Battery will be the inside. Try to open this one. Then we can see this one. Inside.
Oh. Wait.
This is the camera.
This is.
Wait a minute. Wait. So this is the Soocoo C30 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It has this USB charger This is the power button on and off. Here are some buttons to off. And you will find the battery inside here. Let's pull out this battery.
Did you break it?
No. Oh, this is the battery.
Battery bank.
So this is all you get under this
How much?
Soocoo C30. Okay. So what we will do? We will just charge this one. Let's record some videos and some pictures.
Look.
And let's review that one. Okay. So this is the unboxing of Soocoo C30 Action Camera. Okay, Shivansh, now we put the batteries. Okay, now this camera is on now. Okay, this is the power button. Okay, see, now the screen is on. Okay, if you want to see the function, you have to double click the power button. Okay, so it will give the function. Okay, the first one is the resolution. Okay, if you click to the resolution, it have several format. Okay, ultra high definition. Okay, then if you go down, it will reduce the quality, but you will get a video. Then it is P60, FHD, then HD, HD P60, HD P30, VGA, like this. Okay, so now for tomorrow we will set for the ultra high definition. Okay,
Yes.
then it has a loop recording. Okay, what is this one? WDR. Okay, then what else it has? It has a time-lapse recording also. Yeah, it has slow motion, motion detector, recording audios, date and stamp. You can change the angle also here. Okay, now currently it has a 170 degree, and you can go 140, 110, 70, but for the tomorrow morning we will set it is for 170 degree. The picture, it has a self timer also. Image size, you can define an image size here. If you want a big
the time lapse
also, we can do it. Okay, so it has a 20 megapixel image, 16 megapixel, 12, 10, whatever you want, you can set that one. So currently we will put the high image. Okay, then it has a quality like a fine, normal, economy. Okay, we will keep it on the fine. Okay, then it has a sharpness, white balancing, colors, ISO. So we can set exposure value also. It has, will set to 0. It has an anti-shaking.
Yes.
Sometimes your camera get shaky in a hand.
Yes.
So it will control that one. This is the delete one. It will protect your image. It has a Wi-Fi also. It has a Wi-Fi. It has a date and time, auto power off, beep sound, voice. This is car, the language. It has a several language. So we will currently set to the English. Okay, it has a TV mode, screensaver, frequency, formats, default setting, version. So which version is this one? Is Soocoo 2017. So it is not that much. It's a 1 year back of version. Okay, still it is a good. So this is the overall. Okay, so once tomorrow we will go outside and we will take some pictures and videos, then we will put in our video also. Okay, so this is little bit technical things. Okay.
I'm okay, buddy.